Hello friends, this is Abhijit Pawar. In this video we are going to learn about roles and permissions in ESXi server. So first we have to log in into the ESXi server. So you can see on the screen the IP address of the ESXi server is 192.168.124.180 and we are using a VMware vSphere client to accessing that particular server using a management interface. So using vSphere client tool, I have inserted the IP address of ESXi server, the username and the password for it, and I will click on login. Then I will click on ignore. Once we get the management interface of the ESXi server, then we will see how to create the roles and permissions for a particular user. So now we can see the user interface of the server. Click on home. You can see the inventory, roles and system log. We have to create the roles. So click this option of roles. These are the three predefined roles which are available. No access. Any user who is assigned this particular role has no access. He cannot do anything. He cannot log in into this particular ESXi server. If you want a user to log in into the ESXi server but only can view the configuration, then assign the second role which is called as a read only. And the third role which is available is administrator. If you have created a user and you want to give all the permissions to that particular user regarding the configuration of ESXi, then you can assign the role which is administrator. But if you want some customized, you can say roles and permissions, then we will create a customized role now. Click on add role. I am creating the role for a VM machine level 1 administrator. So I'm giving the name of for the role as VM machine level 1 admin, and what I'm expecting that he should do. So I will click on virtual machine option. I will expand that. I will expand interaction option, and I am allowing him to power on the machine, power off the machine, reset the machine and suspend the machine, and I will click OK. Now you can see the customized role is added over here and the name is VM machine level 1 admin. Now we have created a role. How to assign this particular role to a user, that we will see. Click on home, go to inventory, then click on local users and groups. I will create a user now here. I will click on add. I will say VM admin 1 VM admin 1. I will assign some password. So I have given some password to that particular user and I will click on OK. Now you can see the user has been created. Now how to assign the role which we have created? Go to the permission tab, right click here, say add permission, click on add. Now select the user which we have created, VM admin 1, click on add button, say OK. Now once the user comes over here, on the right side you have to select the role. You can see the three predefined roles and the last one is the customized role. So select the last one and then click on OK. Once you click on OK, now you can see in the permissions window, this is the username, and in front of that username the role is mentioned. So we have assigned the customized role what we have created to this particular user or this particular group. So we have created a user. Now if I log in using this user, this particular user can only start or stop the machine. He cannot create a virtual machine. So if I see the option over here that if I want to, if I am now logged in into this particular ESXi using a root account, I can click this new virtual machine option and I can start creating a virtual machine. But now what we will do, we will try to log in using the admin account which we have created. So the username we are typing as VM admin 1 and we are typing the password which we have assigned. and I will say login. Ignore. So we have created a user using that username or that credentials. We are logging in into the ESXi server, and now we will see the roles which we have applied, whether they are followed or not. If I open that particular machine now, and I have shown right click, now you can see all the buttons are deactivated. No button is active here. Why? Because the role does not allow you to do anything other than turning on, turning off a machine. If I click on this machine and right click, in power you can see only one option is available, power on. If you power on, then only other buttons will be this, only 4 buttons will be operated. So this is, you can say, the role which is assigned to our user, and that's why if you want to assign the, you can say, security to particular users, we can use roles and permissions in ESXi server. So hope you understood what is roles and permission in VMware ESXi server and how to configure them. Thank you very much.